Well, howdy, 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 and good morning. It is a new day. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video, which I really liked. I watched it myself, and I must say, it was amazingly good. I'm just about to make some coffee. You know, start the morning with some coffee. And our choice of coffee that we like. I don't know why I'm using the spoon, man. It's already empty, the coffee. That's why it doesn't work. This is the coffee we like to drink. Why was I even using the spoon? I'm retarded. Anyways, here we go. Get the creme de la creme. It's vanilla, man. I don't know why. It's like coffee breakfast, you know? I like to use the vanilla because it's like ice cream in the morning for the coffee. Then we just come right here to my little water heater. Damn, look at those one-handed skills. Okay. And that'll be that. And I wonder if some of you guys caught the system right there behind me. Did you guys catch it? Alright, so this is what we got right here. This is a brand new Ford we're gonna be working on. We're doing Halo 213 TW5, so 4-channel gel, a 1-channel gel, an epicenter, and we're gonna be throwing some 6x8 mats in there, which I don't have them here. We're gonna be receiving them Tuesday. He'll come back to put those, but for today, we're gonna be doing all the equipment. Stick with me, people. It's gonna be a fun ride. Woo! I'm outside right now, walking to the truck. This beautiful bad boy is it looks brand new, man. So let's see the truck.
Me out my see the look in my eye.
Listen, we're gonna knock out a base install. This guy we're gonna hold off on this because we're short-handed. And this guy's gonna knock it out real quick.
He's not.
This is Mo.
He's not. I'm here. I'm gonna get it done.
I don't know if he's gonna even be in the video. He is gonna start the Honda. We're gonna knock that bass amp out real quick. Look, he's drinking his that's the juice he drinks to have a lot of power to work harder. Let him knock that out real quick. We'll go back to this. You guys didn't even see it really, so let's go look at it. So factory everything, okay? Factory speakers, and nothing's in the back. Factory head unit, everything is original. Oh, look at this. Lewis remembers this. The last one was harder to get the wire through, but it's because it was a stick shift and then had the clutch right there. But now look at him. He's a badass. Can you put the flashlight? Let me see the light to see where the cable comes from. Oh, I see it. I see it. Ooh, I got it. Okay, yeah. Wait. Ahí está bien, ¿no? Just the power. The power's good, bro. So the power wire's through. That was much faster than last time. Last time, if I didn't edit it, it would take 25 minutes just for that. This is the Honda Accord again, same as we did yesterday. Yeah, we're gonna install his base now. So we don't want to use the RCAs because, you know, customers, when they remove their RCAs, they pull them. And the strands inside are so thin that they'll mess up. So it's better just to redo them. It's only $10 anyways. This is his setup. He has 2 10-inch subwoofers, little baby Kenwood amp, and we're gonna install that. Cool? Let's see Lewis work. Wow. Impressive. This guy, I swear, man, it's like he knows what he knows. Man, well, we just did this car yesterday, so it doesn't really, you know, we do know. All right, so the wires are in location right there. We already ran the cables there, popped the high to low under there. We didn't have to take this apart. We're gonna go to the back here and remove the amplifier off the box so he can put that under the seat now. Are you happy 6ix9ine is out of the jail?
Yeah.
Or are you gonna wait for his new album?
I'm so proud of him.
He did his time like a beast.
2 months.
He did his time like a real person supposed to do time.
Everybody's talking shit. Oh, damn, it's snitching.
Because they don't got money.
What the fuck do you snitch about?
Drugs? Drug deals? Anyways, snitches end up with ditches. You know the rules, people. Cool. Let's go ahead and finish watching this.
This episode of Joe Exotic.
Joe Tiger.
Bang, bang, boom, better clean the room, cause you're pretty dense. If you think that I'm through, you think we're better together and that I'll never do better, well, never say never.
Dang, did you guys see that whole amp installation? That was good, pretty good, man. Look at that. See, it's that drink. That drink? Tell them where they can get it, fool. Tell them where your website is. arrozconleche.com. You know, you drink the rice milk in the morning, you can be as powerful as this guy. This guy is all about the weed. He has a weed cutter in the middle, he has a pipe in the center, and he has a weed tray right here. Yeah, you made some cannabis cookies?
They're not cannabis, but they have the shape of cannabis.
Oh. You'll fool a lot of potheads, be like, man, this will get you higher on life. Alright, check it out. It's done. It's done, it's done, it's done. Woofers are in, the amplifier's at the bottom, and this is a wrap. Alright, looks like he already took apart the car. I was with a customer, I couldn't really watch it. But yeah, this is where you're gonna do the installation. Epicenter location, amplifier for highs location. All right, look at this. 0 gauge cable. Man, look at that big old thing he has to put a hole through. Just to pass the cable through. And we'll watch him as he works. To the time lapse.
Who's looking me over? Looking me over. If I try enough, would you feel my missing piece? I can't understand why I misunderstand my own desire. If I carry on in what I know is wrong, the colors bleeding. You understand the heart of me, you know the deepest part of me. You got some kind of technical love. I carry all my flaws, you see, but you never run away from me. You got some kind of technical.
Alright guys, look at, he already got that installed. Look at this, look at that. Look at how nice these wires are coming down. And now he's gonna start the 4-channel. He's gonna start the 4-channel, put that on time lapse. We'll be good to go. What's up, family? So we're just taking a break from the time lapse. Customer came in and he actually wants to add a second amplifier, which that's why you saw a 2-amp install instead of the jail. So we added the Matt's audio 800x4 because he wants to be running the jail audio and the future. He's gonna run jail audio 7-inch speakers in the future outside the vehicle. So we added the amp right now just because we're already doing the installation. Take a look at it. Woo. Here's the mats, here's the jail. They had to move the location of the epicenter. Actually, no, they put it there too. And then the wires are all getting ran. And then he's adding a bass knob so that way they can control the volume of the speakers. Okay, that's my little tripod set up so you guys can see it. And then also we have a BMW here. This thing is getting closer to being done. We just took a little break so you guys can get some entertainment. You know, instead of just watching this guy install for 5 minutes. Did that amp piss you off, boy? Adding a second amp? Be honest.
Yeah.
Because you're like, fuck, man, I had a plan and it ruined your plan. Back to the time lapse.
Hey, ooh, yo, shorty, I don't wanna talk. Ooh, yo, I don't wanna say someone talk. Ooh, yo, shorty, I don't wanna talk. want sex, I want talk. Shawty, I don't wanna talk. I don't want sex, I want talk.
So he's gonna be doing the radio. So let's make sure he takes care of that. Watch as we continue.
Shawty, I don't wanna talk. I don't want sex, I want talk. Shawty, I don't wanna talk. I don't want sex, I want talk. Shawty, I don't wanna talk. I don't want sex, I want talk.
Alright, so we were not able to finish it. We're not able to finish the Ford, but we're gonna finish it tomorrow. And we got a lot done though. So the radio didn't get finished, and the speakers are not finished, and the amps didn't get fully installed. That's Junior's car. Okay, people, check it out. That was the end of that video. The Ford was not finished, but we'll be doing it again on the next video. I'll be showing the end product. That Honda came out of nowhere, and you know what times that is tough right now. We have to take every business we can. And that Honda came in because he knew who we were and he loved the way we do our work. So we went and took care of that. Ford will be done in the next video. So stay tuned for the end of that video. That thing sounded good though. I can tell you right now when I heard it. Woo! But anyways, comment, like, subscribe, do your thing. Also, let me know what other kind of videos that you're looking for, and I'll try to do my best to make them.